welcome back to my channel everyone, and hope you all are doing well. So today we'll be doing the flesh figure, as I said in my previous video that we'll start the 12 head crocus from mechanical figure, then we'll go on to the flesh figure, then later on we'll do the structures like eyes, nose and etc. So in today's video we'll see how to draw a flesh figure. It will be really easy, so it just needs a little practice. You all will be good in it. I mean, it's just a matter of time. If you give a lot of dedication to it, you will get to know how to do it easily. So let's start by erasing the mechanical figure. Don't erase it completely, we just need these measurements for us to see. So erase it lightly so that we still have the lines and measurements. And the basic tip here is, after erasing, don't rub the dust by your hand, because sometimes your hands will be sweaty and all watery, and so it will give a bad impression on you. So just take a tissue or any cloth and rub it off. Well, my hand is dry, so I am using my hand. If your hand is dry, you can use it. So let's start. This is a head position, right? So first you need to make a curve here, not a big one, because we need an oval shape, right? So from this line just make a little curve from the outside and bring here. Do the same from this side as well, and we'll have our oval shape. This is our oval shape. And for our neck, start from here. Just take a line from here and draw a inverted V or brackets, open brackets, so that we get a neck. Then for the shoulder parts, first you need to go from inside to the outside. So just take a little bit downward, then this will be our shoulder, down and up. Do the same on the other side, a little down and up. Okay, now you can rotate your book or whatever position is comfortable to you, so that we can make it very easily. And for this hand position, we'll draw everything with these fleshed curves and all. Just give a little bit distance from the hand part. Do the same curve as well. This will be our knee, our elbows, sorry. This is our hand. And the bust level will start from this second. Then from this part, just take a little bit outwards and join. And on the ankle part as well, just draw a V, so that we get to know that that's the ankle shape. So now let's go on the other side as well. it will be a little bit tricky while doing this because of the lines which we have made earlier, but that is the point of making the mechanical figure earlier, so that we get to know what are the measurements and stuff. So this will be our flesh figure, and for the middle part just draw a line, straight line. Just make a line in the center and make this will be our belly. So, and here the main part will the main thing will be here to show the collarbones. So just make a line like this, come downwards, do this. So this is our flesh figure. Just erase all the lines and dots which are present so that we get our clear figure. So as you can see here, this is a mechanical figure and this is a flesh figure. You can see the difference. What are the differences? Here are the straight measurements and here we have all the curves and stuff. So just for the record, keep practicing and just work on the curves. I know I'm also not a professional in this, but everyone has their speed, everyone has their time in which they'll get to know how much they are. And I forgot this thing, to show the knee part, just make like this so that this will get to know these are the knees. And for the hands as well, while bringing this line, just bring a little bit inside and then join the other part so that we can show the elbows and the knee. So till my next video, keep practicing and keep supporting, keep enjoying. If you enjoyed this, do like it and subscribe for my next video. In my next video we'll be knowing about the structures like face, eyes, nose and etc. Later on we'll go to the dress designing part. So for that videos, turn on the bell notification as well so that you get the notification of my video. Do visit my Instagram page as well to stay connected with me, and if you have any queries and questions, you can DM me there and message me. I'll be glad to reply all of you. The link will be present in the description box. So we'll meet in my next video.